Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a yellow and white striped birthday cake for my church's December birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as I take you through this detailed cake decorating process. These are the tools and ingredients you are using for today's white and yellow striped cake. So we have our cake layers here, which are 8-inch cake layers, our syrup, our frostings. Also set some aside, which will color yellow later on, and our tools. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Today's cake, we are starting off with an already frosted and fully covered cake. This was obtained after the assembling, trimming and crumb coating process was done. So we are going to make the striped marks using our textured cake comb here, which we use for the making of striped cakes. We use it around the cake a couple of times until the striped marks are indented or printed onto the fully frosted cake. Then we set it into our fridge for 15 minutes to solidify as we fill in the gaps with the second batch of frosting which we'll be using, that we've colored in yellow. This is how the cake looks like after it has been picked out from the freezer. You can see it's firm to the touch and doesn't show on my gloves. We are going to fill in the gaps with the yellow frosting by piping it into the grooves created by the cake comb. This is kind of filling in the hollow spaces left after the movement of the cake comb was done. Before we get into the next aspect of the decoration, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. And this is how it looks like after every gap has been filled. So we are going to use our bench scraper here and then we'll start scraping off the excess frosting until our white and yellow striped cake design is obtained. We'll do this a couple of times. We'll use heat, which is hot water, on the bench scraper from time to time to help the design come alive. This is going to help the scraping of the frosting and then make it look as nice and presentable as we want it to be. Without the heat, achieving that will be a bit difficult because the cake was frozen for a while and then the buttercream that was added has kind of solidified attached to the frozen cake that was kept in the fridge. Now we'll pick up our frosting and then we'll pick our piping tip, which we'll use for writing of our inscription on the bottom part of the cake. We are going to be writing December bonds on the bottom part of the cake with our yellow frosting. And this is how it looks like after the writings have been made on the bottom part of the cake board. We are going to move on to the piping of the intertwined spiral border on the top of the cake using our 1M piping tip and some yellow frosting. This is how it looks like. So we are going to add onto it the gold butterflies and our gold sugar balls or sugar pearls. We are going to add our circular birthday topper to the front part of the cake. And this is the yellow and white striped birthday cake made from a very detailed process I hope you can try out and order for your events from us as well. It's the next day, so we are going to package the cake as per usual and then send it off to church for the birthday celebration in a few hours time. We'll do this with the cake box and then the lid as per usual with my business sticker added as well. And this is how I sent it off to church. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.